Okay, it's Sunday, October 18th. Just cleaned this bin. Came out very nice like they all do. We always do the trims, the insides, the sides, around. And then we do the bins, their sides, and put them back.
14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nice and clean. Okay, this one's door flew open, but gives you a good idea of how clean the insides get. We clean the garbage bin sides, pull them out, then we clean the fronts, the backs, the outsides, all along the trims. Very nice.